Hey guys, this is Victor, and today I want to help you understand another business aspect for the iTeraCare device about building your business and using their binary system. And so this is a binary placement guide because that's the way you build, that's the way their system works. It's called a binary, and it's got two legs, a left and a right leg. So let me show you how to do that because a lot of people get confused, and because this is different from other binary placements. So let me just show you really quick. So you are in the middle, okay? So you bought a device. If you bought a device from me, I'm your sponsor. But whoever your sponsor is, or you're going to be a sponsor for other people too, right? So anyway, let's imagine you bought a device from me or another sponsor. So that's you in the middle. And your first sale, when you go and you make a sale using your own link, which of course your sponsor will explain to you, your first sale must go in the left leg, okay? So the left leg, you'll see the number 1 in the top circle. The first sale must go in your left leg. Now, the thing is, your left leg, if you're lucky, your sponsor is going to make more sales than you. And so basically, like I'm filling the left leg for all of the people that buy from me. So for example, let's say you buy one, and before you make your first sale, your sponsor makes another sale, and then that sale takes that first spot there. So then in that case, when you go to make your first sale, it's got to be in the left leg, right? So anywhere down that blue leg, now it's highlighted in blue, it's got to be in that leg. It doesn't matter where the position is. It's just, they're going to go down one after another, but it could be from you or it could be from your sponsor in what we call spillover, because it could also be from some other people who also have to put their first sales, if they're on your team, right? If they're all under your sponsor. So in this case, your sponsor made another sale, so then your first sale goes down to that second level. But again, maybe your sponsor makes 2 more sales before you sell something, or he makes 100 sales. It doesn't matter. You still have to put your first sale in that left leg. Wherever it is, it's going to be somewhere in that left leg. It has to go there. The system won't even let you put it anyplace else. So you get that first sale done. Maybe your sponsor has some there, maybe not. Then after that, your right leg is where your next sale will go. So you make that second sale. Now you got sale number 2, okay? So you don't have to worry about that left leg, at least not for now. And if your sponsor is outselling you, you will never touch that left leg again. So if you're lucky, and like I tell most of my clients, because I'm a wellness practitioner, right? I'm a nutritionist, etc. So I'm always going to be selling these devices because my clients are seeing results. So I'll probably outsell most of my clients that try to build a business, so they'll never have to touch their left leg after the first sale. So now they make that second sale. That second sale goes into that first slot on the right leg, right above me, you see that. And then now they have a matched pair. Now they have a leveling pair. They have a level pairing. And that's how you get your pairing bonus. That is where the biggest commission is, when you match pairs. So when you made that first sale, you don't get such a big commission. You do get something. But once you start level pairing, it's a much, much bigger commission. So you're really lucky if your sponsor is filling the left leg, because normally you would go back and forth. You have to put one on the left, one on the right, then you get that full commission. One on the left, one on the right, you get the full commission. But if that left leg is being filled in by your sponsor, you're getting that full commission on every sale because you'll always have a match, right? So your second sale goes there. And then what you're going to do, the third sale is now every sale after that, if your sponsor stays ahead of you, you're just going to go down the inside of your right leg, right? So the third sale goes there, and look, it's matched to some spillover from my sponsor. You're going to get another full pairing bonus on that level pairing. And you're just going to continue. Don't pay attention to those other spots. All those other spots in the tree just behind me, right? I just faded them out. You're never going to touch them. Those would be filled out by your clients if they're building a business under you. But you're not going to touch them. You're just going to go down the inside of that right leg. You're going to follow that pink. You're just going to keep going, right? You just keep going down that pink side as long as there's something to match. If there's no match for the right leg, then you can post or you can put a sale on that left leg. But hopefully you don't have to do that. If you're outselling me, that'd be great. I'd be really excited. But anyway, you just keep going. So you notice here, right? So the fourth sale, again, would have another full pairing. And then maybe you go for your fifth sale, but I already did another sale for you. So again, you've got full level pairing and you just keep going down that right leg. All right. So that's it. That's what it's about. It's pretty easy, but that's the key point. You're going to always go down the inside of that right leg. And of course, if you don't understand, you just contact me or contact your sponsor and ask them to do it for you. Ask them to process that sale for you or explain it to you again. I hope this makes it easier for you to understand. If not, contact me or ask questions or contact whoever your sponsor is. I know I have a lot of my clients that were confused by this, and so I made this for them, and hopefully it helps them understand better. So once again, if you have any questions, reach out to me or whoever your sponsor is. And good luck building your binary. It's a really good system, actually. And once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. So, yeah, good luck.